Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sinantomas. First, we're going to combine the pork spare ribs with pineapple juice, soy sauce, banana ketchup, salt, and pepper. I'm going to mix it, then I will put it inside the refrigerator and marinate it for at least 2 hours or overnight. So here's our marinated pork. I'm going to remove the cover and I'm going to drain the liquid, then set it aside. In a pan over medium heat, add the vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot enough, pan fry the potatoes until lightly brown. Once you see that the edges are lightly brown, remove from the pan and set aside. Next, I'm going to reduce the vegetable oil. Then I'm going to saute the onion and garlic. I'm going to cook this until the onions are soft and translucent. Next, add the marinated pork spare ribs and cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the meat is tender. Now I'm going to pour the marinade liquid and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm also going to add 1/2 cup water. When the liquid is reduced, put back the potatoes and continue to cook. Now I'm going to add in the frozen green peas and shredded cheese. Give it a stir and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. This is done, so we can now turn off the heat and transfer it in a serving bowl.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this quick and easy SINANTOMAS recipe. Click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when we release new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Please visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com and follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. See you next time, guys. Bye!